In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications or alerts from Skyscanner app. So if you've been receiving a lot of alerts maybe on flights, hotels, and car rentals, and you want to stop this, then it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So all you need to do is to go ahead and look for the app info page through settings and then scroll down to apps. Now from apps, go ahead and tap on manage apps on your Android smartphone. For this tutorial, I'm on a Redmi smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From this, now you'll see a list of all the apps you have, and then scroll down until you find your app. And my Skyscanner app is here. You can also search for your app using the search function here. And once you have found it, just tap on it. And here is the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page here, let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, go and look for your app. And once you have found your app, just go ahead and long press on it. And you can see we have app info option here. If you tap on it, it will take you again to the same app info page. At this point, go to the section called permissions, and under permissions, look for notifications. You can see all these notifications are turned on, and that's why you have been receiving all those pop-up notifications. So to put an end to this, go ahead and toggle off this show notifications option. At this time round, you'll never again receive any pop-up notifications or alerts from this app unless you go ahead and turn this on. So that's how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications from your Skyscanner app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.